Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be taking you through the Copay, Breadwallet and Airbitz website. So listen carefully. So let's start off with Copay. Copay is a Bitcoin wallet by BitPay and available on iOS, Android, Windows Phone, Linux, OS X, Macs and Windows. Because Copay is available on the multiple devices. Now Breadwallet. Breadwallet started out as the most popular wallet for iPhone, and now it is also available for Android devices running Android 6.0 or higher. Now Airbitz. Airbitz is another Bitcoin wallet that's great for everyday use. It's integrated with Fold, meaning you can get 20% discount at Starbucks from within the wallet. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Don't forget to go to the Weirdest Coins website to find more information.